A 13-year-old is among 3 persons who were shot dead in Racecourse, Clarendon on Thursday night as gunmen went on what residents describe as a shooting rampage in the community. TVJ's Anthony Lugg has the details.
A night of terror. That's how residents of Racecourse in Clarendon describe the event which took place on Thursday night in their community. When TVJ News visited the area, investigators were processing the scene. An earlier shooting had sent patrons at the Nuclear Jerk Center and pub running for cover. Those who managed to escape unharmed say the shooting was carried out by 3 gunmen who alighted from a vehicle, entered the establishment, and began shooting aimlessly. Nothing that could move was spared. When the shooting subsided, several persons were seen suffering from gunshot wounds. They were rushed to the Mapen Hospital, where 3 were pronounced dead. Among the dead is Chanel Bartley, a 13-year-old student of Central High, 24-year-old Amoy Ricketts, the bartender at the establishment, and a customer, Randy Ranger. The 13-year-old is the daughter of a policeman who was on duty in the parish. 3 others, including the owner of the establishment, were also shot and injured. A motive has not yet been established for the shooting. The police have ruled out robbery and say they will continue to maintain a presence in the area. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.